Hi children, good morning. How are you? Yes, are you different? Yeah. So, welcome back to our session. What's our topic? Acid, bases and salts. So, yesterday's class what we have learned? About the neutralization. Acid plus base, it gives for us salt plus water. So, regarding this, we have seen few examples also. Then, neutralization in everyday life. In our life, how this neutralization is going to happen? Let me see in this session. Are you ready? Yes. So, what we will say for that? When we are feeling the stomach ache, that one we call it as, why it happens so? Indigestion. What is that? Indigestion. When this indigestion happens, we'll feel somewhat pain in our stomach. So immediately what we'll do? We'll have the lemon squeeze. That means lemon juice. Then we are going to add the salt and also the baking soda. If you take it, we are going to take it as relief, or we can call it as Eno, then Bindu Jeera. These are all we are going to take it when we are feeling it as the indigestion. So, in this, what it contains for us? Magnesium hydroxide. It contains magnesium hydroxide, MgOH. So, this MgOH, it gives for us very relief when we are feeling it as indigestion. That only we call it as milk of magnesia. That is what we call milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is nothing but MgOH. So, for the indigestion process, we can take the milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. Then we are going to feel relief. Is it? Yes. And next one, ant. When the ant bites, how it will be? Somewhat burning sensation. Immediately we are going to wipe like this. Have you seen the honeybee? Yes, if the honeybee also, it bites for us. It's very horrible pain, no children? Yes. So, what is that? Why the pain will occurs means it is going to release the formic acid, children. What's that? And bite. So, we are going to make the irritate because of formic acid. Formic acid. It releases the formic acid into our body or the skin. Then we are going to feel irritation or some paining sensation. So for this, what is the remedy? Immediate remedy we have to do means take some baking soda. Baking soda, rose soda. Is it? Yes. Take that, and where it has bite, just wipe it with that baking soda. We are going to get the relief for us. That means here what it is happening. Next, ant bite. When the ant bites, have you seen that pain? Immediately we will do like this. Is it? Why it happens so? Because it is going to release the formic acid into our skin. Then for this what we have to do? Not only the ant bite, children, the honeybee. If honeybee bites also, it's very horrible pain for us. So immediate remedy in our home only it is there. That is nothing but baking soda. Baking soda. This baking soda, take a pinch of that baking soda and where the ant bites, just wipe it. Then we can get relief for that. This baking soda, we are going to call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda, we are going to call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is that? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, if you wipe it, you can get the relief. And next, for the soil treatment. Not only the ant bite, you can get the soil treatment. For the soil treatment. If the soil is more acidic or the more base, it doesn't give the yield for us. Then what we have to do for this? For that we have to go for quicklime. We have to add the quicklime. This quicklime is nothing but calcium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide, or we can take it as slate lime. Slate lime. So this slate lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Quicklime we call it as calcium oxide. Slate lime we call it as calcium hydroxide. Either this one or this one. If we add for the soil, we are going to get the good yield. This is also one of the neutralization process. And next, factory wastes. Factory wastes. So many of the waste water and dust particles from the factories which we are going to release it, that one where we are going to throw to the rivers and also to avoid this. That means the water bodies will be having the acids. In that the fishes, that means the aquatic animals is going to destroy. So for this also we have to neutralize by using of adding the basic or the acidic substances. So these are the neutralization in our daily life. That is indigestion, ant bite, soil treatment and factory wastes. Okay, understood children? If any doubts are there, you can clarify me. By this, let me end of the session, and also our chapter also, it came to our end. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Neutralization. It occurs when an acid is mixed with an alkali until a neutral solution is obtained. Acid plus base. It gives for us salt plus water. Neutralization is used in many ways in our daily lives. Every day we neutralize things inside and outside of our bodies without even knowing. They are applied in agriculture, industries and health. So sometimes we'll feel irritation, that means stomach pain. Can you guess children for what purpose? Yes, that is nothing but gastric. In the stomach, the gastric juice will be provided. That means it will be excess in our stomach. See here, it's our stomach. Here the gastric juice, it had become more. So to get relief through that gastric juice, what we have to do? Yeah, we have to take some remedy, or we can take the capsules. That's nothing but pills or nothing but tablet. Antacid, we call it as the antacid. So when we take the antacid, it enters into our stomach. So that pill is entering into our stomach. Can you observe children? Yes. Yes, now it has neutralized. Then we will feel relief. Okay?
Neutralization reaction. How to treat a bee sting.
Oh.
Hey, hold on. Don't go near that honeycomb. Please listen to me. It is quite dangerous. Fine, go ahead. See? I told you. Okay, now don't worry. Put this baking soda solution on the bee-stung area. You got some relief, right? Do you know why you got relief? This happened because a neutralization reaction took place when we applied baking soda on the stung area. The venom of a honeybee contains formic acid. When it stings us, it injects that acid into our skin. Formic acid causes immense pain and irritation. However, when we apply baking soda solution, which is a mild base, on the stung area, it neutralizes the formic acid and cancels its effect. As a result, the sensation of pain and irritation decreases and we get some relief. Such a reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization. In neutralization, both acidic and basic solutions neutralize the effect of each other, and the nature of both acids and bases gets destroyed.